can you explain how making money move faster, XRP, is supposed to help fix all this when it's still the same money? Would you say that we are in the most uncertain time that we've ever been in? Probably so. And that's corroborated by BART chart. They put out a full chart over the last 100 years, and we are at the highest point of uncertainty. When people are uncertain, what do they do with their money? They hoard it. They put it in their sofa or their mattress or their refrigerator. They keep it out of the banks. They don't know what to do with it. They just know that they need their money, and so they don't circulate it. They stop spending, they stop consuming, they're concerned about the future, they don't know what's going to happen, they can't plan for things. So when humans are in that position, they halt and don't move. So what does that do to money? Well, it's what's called a liquidity crisis right now. Money is locked up or held by people, and they are not moving it through the economy. There's not enough demand for certain goods and services, and so therefore the jobs start to fall off, because businesses don't make enough money. And then when they need more money, they try to go to the bank and borrow from them, and the bank won't lend it to them because they're now their cash flows are down, and they're also tightening lending standards. So they go to the private credit market and they pay super high interest rates, and then they start to default on the private credit that they borrowed because the economy hasn't recovered yet. And then you get this dark spiral that happens. So, but if you had a way to cause money to move faster across the economy and bring back assurance that people can make plans and give them confidence to start consuming and drive consumer demand again, then all of that fixes itself. It's a positive feedback loop instead of a negative feedback loop. And that's what XRP does. It will start to cause money to move faster through the economy. It will allow people liquidity when they need it to be able to bridge gaps until we start to see the growth in GDP and demand happen again. And it'll pull us out of this situation by rebalancing balance sheets with a much higher price, so that there's not as significant as a debt burden. If you needed more debt, you could borrow against the XRP, because I think it'll be a tier 1 asset to be able to refinance your debt at lower interest rates than what you're currently paying. It does so many things to be able to fix the economy that we're currently